Video mode on the ASI Air is useful to help us focus, but keep in mind that the main reason that it was implemented was for solar system imaging. However, if you watch my ASI Air tips video shown up here in the upper left, I saw a lot of comments about issues with video mode and which cameras it works with. So in this video, I'm going to play around with both my ASI 294 MC Pro and the Canon EOS Rebel T7i that this is currently being recorded on, and we're just gonna see where the differences lie in between configurations and what the ASI Air can handle. All right, now the first tip about the ASI Air in video mode is that if you have the first ASI Air, the original one in the plastic case, it will not work. Video mode is not on the old version. You have to have the ASI Air Pro. Hi there, my name's Dalen. Here at Astro Escape, we go over all things astrophotography, starting from the very beginner level and working our way up from there. If you're new here, if you like what you see as you're watching this video, please do consider giving this one a like. Now, as I mentioned, I saw a few comments about issues with video mode, so let's dive in and start playing around and just see where the problems lie. All right, so getting started with this, we're gonna start with the cameras. Now, the ASI Air supports pretty much all zero cameras except for 2 of them, and I believe they're their oldest model. If you have a zero camera, you should be fine. Now, moving over to DSLRs, in the description, I've linked Zewo's compatibility chart. You're going to want to check to see if your camera is on that list. Keep in mind that this list is primarily Canon and Nikon. Another thing to note for Nikon users, look at that chart. There is an extra icon there. Some models of Nikon cameras require an extra cable that releases the shutter. Now, I believe that this specific camera release shutter cannot support video mode whatsoever. So if you have one of those models, please let me know down in the comments if that is the case. I have Canon cameras, I don't have Nikon, so Nikon users, help me out here. If you have one of those, let me know. I already have it in video mode on the app here, and I'm gonna try to find my target, but I'm gonna test this on both an Android tablet I have and an iOS tablet I have. Let's bump up the gain just a little. When you're focusing using a Zewo cam, if it's light enough out, you might have to play with the gain just a little bit. That's what we're looking for right there. Just something off in the distance that we can see. There we go. So this is with the Zewo ASI 294 MC Pro. Now, before I get too much further, I'm gonna go ahead and connect the DSLR, and we're gonna do the same thing. My thought process here is that because this is a DSLR, that it only can control when it is in photo mode, not video mode. So, now let's try. Yep, and video mode is not there. So let's go ahead and swap over to the iPad and see if I see the same thing with this camera. Okay, yeah. So again, on the iPad, same as on the Samsung Galaxy tablet that I was using, with the DSLR, it cannot go into video mode. Okay, so back at home, it's the next day. If you couldn't tell, it was getting dark and I went ahead and shot the image I was out there shooting anyway. Let's go over a couple different things. So, like I said, I don't think that the ASI Air can control DSLRs because they have their own video mode. On top of that, you really don't need to use video mode with a DSLR. Really, once you're ready to start getting generally in focus, you can just turn your telescope or lens onto something off in the distance. Just pick something, you know, a couple miles or kilometers out, you know, just nothing nearby, and just focus on something in the distance, just using the DSLR's viewfinder. Now, for all Zewo cams, video mode should be enabled. If it's not showing up for you, here's a couple steps you can take. And this is just based on years of troubleshooting experience when it comes to just tech gadgets. So the first thing you can do is the obvious, restart it. And I would restart things one by one. Just turn everything off, then turn the air on, then plug in the camera, then plug in the guide camera, then plug in your mount, just one at a time, and see if it's just not being detected right by the air. Another thing you can try is reseat the USB plug. So unplug each end and just plug it back in. All right, another thing you can do is delete the app on your device and re-download it. Sometimes re-downloading it can force the app to update to the current version. If that didn't work, if you have another device available to you, say you use a tablet primarily, but you still haven't used it on your cell phone, try it on your cell phone. If the ZWO cam is still not showing up in video mode, then there may be a problem with the camera itself. And from there, you can check ZWO's website to see if they have a firmware update for the camera. Now, it doesn't seem like there's a whole lot of updates that come out for the cameras, so you might not find anything. If that's the case, then it's probably at the point where you should reach out to ZWO and just say, hey, this isn't being detected. Then yeah, talking to ZWO might be the best final alternative. But all in all, like I said, to summarize, ZWO cameras, it should show up in all but 2 of them. If you use the original ASI Air, the one in the plastic case, the white and red one, it will not work. Video mode is not a feature of that one. And if you're using a DSLR, just unplug the camera from the ASI Air while you're doing your rough focus and just use the LCD screen on your camera. If you found this video helpful, please do like, comment, and then maybe consider subscribing. I want to thank you for watching. Clear skies.